Welcome back to another React Native tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get the current location of a user using latitude and longitude. This is useful for many applications such as maps, ride-sharing, or any feature that needs location tracking. To achieve this, we will use the React Native Community Geolocation package, which provides an easy way to access the device's GPS. Before we begin coding, we need to install the geolocation package. Open your terminal and type npm install at React Native Community/geolocation. I have already installed it. Once installed, if you are using Android, you need to add location permissions. Go to the Android manifest XML file located in Android app src main Android manifest XML and add the necessary permissions for find location and course location access. After that, rebuild your app using npx react native run android or simply npm run android. Now, let's move to the code and implement location retrieval. Let's start by creating our component. First, we import the necessary dependencies at the top. We need React along with useState and useEffect from React, since we will manage state and handle side effects. We also import view, text, button, and permissions Android from React Native. Lastly, we import geolocation from React Native Community Geolocation, which helps us access the device's location. Next, we define a state variable to store the user's location. Inside our component, we call useState and set the initial value to null. This state variable will hold the latitude and longitude once we fetch the location. Now let's handle permissions. On Android, we need to request location access before retrieving the GPS coordinates. We create a function called requestLocationPermission. This function checks if the platform is Android and then asks for permission using permissions Android request. If the user grants access, the function returns true. Otherwise, it denies access. Now, let's write the function to get the location. We create a function called getLocation. First, we call requestLocationPermission to check if we have permission. If permission is denied, we log a message and return. Otherwise, we call geolocation getCurrentPosition. This function retrieves the device's current location. If successful, we update our state with the latitude and longitude. If there is an error, we log a warning message. Now, let's build our UI. In the return statement, we first create a view component and center everything inside it. Next, we add a button labeled getLocation, which calls the getLocation function when pressed. Below this button, we check if a location has been retrieved. If location has a value, we display the latitude and longitude using the text component. Otherwise, we show a simple message saying, "No location yet." Now let's run the app and test it. First, we tap the Get Location button. The app requests location permission. If permission is granted, the GPS fetches the latitude and longitude and displays them on the screen. If permission is denied, we see a message in the log and no location is shown. And that's it. We have successfully implemented a location fetcher in React Native, allowing users to get their current latitude and longitude. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.